In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image in Squarespace. We'll start right at the source. Open your browser and head to the Squarespace website. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your sites. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens a quick menu that leads to everything tied to your account. From that menu, choose Account Dashboard. The dashboard is your home base. It lists all of your sites in one place so you can quickly jump into the one you want to work on. Find the site you want to edit and select it to open its controls. Next, click Edit Site. This brings you into the site editing environment. You'll usually see a prompt or button that simply says Edit. Click that to enter the page editor where you can make visual changes. Now you're in the right spot to adjust images directly on the page. Navigate to the page and section where your image lives. Scroll through your content and locate the exact image you want to resize. Take a moment to hover over it so you can see the selection and the on-screen handles. If you have multiple similar images, it can help to glance at the surrounding text or section title to make sure you've got the correct one. Once you've found the image, click it to activate the resize handles around the edges. Now drag the edges to resize it. For most layouts, dragging a corner keeps the proportions consistent, which helps avoid stretching or squashing. If you need a more subtle adjustment, use a side handle to fine-tune the width within your layout. Watch how nearby content reflows as you drag. Squarespace is responsive, so elements will adjust to maintain spacing and alignment. A quick tip: if the original file is very small, making it much larger can reduce clarity. In that case, consider keeping it closer to its native size for the sharpest look. Also, try to keep similar images on a page size consistently. It makes your design feel more polished. When you're happy with the new size, stop dragging and let the page settle. Give it a quick visual check to make sure headings, captions, and buttons around it still look balanced. If you don't like the change, you can drag again to adjust. Finally, click Save to commit your changes. This ensures the new image size is stored and will appear for your visitors. That's it. Your image has been resized in Squarespace.